How to save photos from WhatsApp to Gallery phone. First of all, open the WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the chat or group where the photo is located. Then, find the photo you want to save and tap on it to open it in full view. After that, look for the Save icon, which is usually found on the option Tap the Save icon or to download the photo to your phone. The photo will then be saved to your phone's internal storage or SD card. Once the photo is saved, you can find it in your phone's Gallery app under the WhatsApp album or in the Downloads folder. If you're unable to find the photo in your Gallery app, you can use a File Manager app to locate the downloaded photo in your phone's storage. By following these steps, you can easily save photos from WhatsApp to your phone's gallery and access them anytime without having to search through your chat history. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.